welcome back to my channel. And now guys, I'm going to teach you some negative characteristic traits that translate into English Bisaya. Are you ready? Please watch this. English Bisaya negative character traits translation. Stubborn, gahi ug ulo. Stubborn, gahi ug ulo. Unkind, salbahes. Unkind, salbahes. Misi, gubot. Misi, gubot. Unreliable, dili kasaligan. Unreliable, dili kasaligan. Untidy, damakan or damak. Untidy, damakan or damak. Busi, palasugo. Busi, palasugo. Talkative, tabian. Talkative, tabian. Annoying, makalagot. Annoying, makalagot. Arrogant, hambog. Arrogant, hambog. Rude, bastos. Rude, bastos. Forgettable, limtanon. Forgettable, limtanon. Dull, bugo. Dull, bugo. Flirty, kiat. Flirty, kiat. Lazy, tapulan. Lazy, tapulan. Thank you for watching.